welcome back to my channel, and today I am refilming my haul because I sounded terrible in the first one. I was tired, I was irritated, I just wanted to film some stuff and get it up, and then I realized, you know what? Being irritated doesn't do anybody good, so I'm just going to redo it so that way I don't sound kind of like a jerk. So this is my little Simply Gilded haul. I got these bad boys. These are for your nails. They are nail decals, and these were $6. I don't think they're worth the price. However, they are cute. So I probably won't be getting any more of these. I say that, but we'll see. Just because I know, like, I do nails, so I know, like, how, I don't want to say how cheap these are to make, but like off AliExpress you can get Bose ones that are like literally 30 cents. So the fact that these were $6, granted I knew that going in, so I mean, take it for what it's worth. I thought maybe there would be like 2 packs in there, but no, there's literally this like one sheet. However, her branding has always been on point because it is beautiful. The bows are beautiful. I mean, I'm looking forward to using them, so I'll have probably a better review with them later. However, I do know you need to encapsulate these. So even people who are putting gel over these are still seeing chipping, like a soak off gel. I use hard gel on my nails, so like I will put it on the bottom layer before, I don't know if you can see like that apex that's built up, so it would be under that. Yeah, so I'm excited to use these though. Oh yeah, and then these were my little freebies. Look at how beautiful this card is. It reminds me of the Galaxy. You know, did we do double dip on Galaxy now that I think about it? I know she kept talking about double dip on her Facebook, and I don't know if it was like the Galaxy was part of that. I need to go pay attention because I'm obsessed with Galaxy, so I want to buy another one. All right, I'm gonna zoom you in. So this is the winter one, and I love this so much. And I'm totally weird. I mean, you guys probably already know that, but I love when my bows go together. For instance, like if this variation, I got one on the top and one on the bottom, but I can like layer it, and then like that as well. So they're layerable. I know that's a weird thing to be excited about, but yeah, these are these bad boys, and they are super pretty. They have the silver foil, and they're just pretty, okay? This is a very small haul because I'm not trying to load up on Simply Gilded because I have so much, so I'm trying to keep it a little bit more small and financially better, more better, okay? More better. All right, so we have the dots. Again, that blue, so clearly I went with a blue theme. And maybe it's because it was like Winter Plannerland was coming up, or it just happened or something. No, it would have been coming up. And I was fixated on the blues. Well, I'm excited because they're blue. And then literally my favorite one. This is the reason I ordered, because look at how beautiful that is. Black and white and gold. And my bow is centered in the middle. I know some people were having issues with like the bow being too high or too low or something like that. I don't have that issue, and I'm very, very, very excited because this is literally the reason I ordered. Okay, so that was Simply Gilded. Now I'm going to butcher this. I always butcher this. Chic Street Sticker Boutique. That's the only time I'm gonna say that. That's where this is from, because I butcher her name almost every time because, you know, we have a little list there. But yeah, so this is the freebie I got. This was the Black Friday. So this is like a retro pixelated glitter. Like it's like meant to be that way. So you can see, yeah, like see how it's all pixelated? And it looks bomb, especially in real life. It's like stars. You can see like the stars are like smooth. I don't know if that's gonna, like by my thumb, you can see there's kind of like a smoother area, or maybe like the L right there, you can see the star. So this is like the coolest glitter I've seen in a long time. And then this is your standard freebie. I didn't realize there were tailored freebies, otherwise I probably would have bought more. But there were, but I had ordered and didn't pay attention because, you know, I'm a mess. I've already used one of these, so don't judge me. All right, so let's go ahead. Oh wait, they are different. So these are her new like sticky note, what are these called? Like quotes. So let me show you, because I did, you know what, I'll just pull it out of my planner. You're getting a sneak peek of my plan with me, so I'm gonna try to show the least amount possible, because I don't want to spoil it too much. So this is the clear sticky note, excuse me, clear overlay for her sticky note. So you can see I like mine in black. Most of my things I order from her are in black, so I just really, really liked it. And it just fit perfectly for, oh wait, that's new stuff that I ordered too. Yeah, so I'm really excited about these. So that was the one that was missing, but I kind of like how like little and cute these are. I want more. So don't judge me if I order more. And then if you have been with my channel long enough, you will know I do this quite often because I make a mess quite often. Yes, I'm terrible at, you know, so many things. I make a mess. And then I got these because I change my nails every 2 weeks, give or take. So I thought this would be perfect to do that. Clearly I used one already because I'm refilming this. And then I got, wait, they're upside down. Happy birthday. And I love that these are just the scripts because they're super cute, where this one was both, and I like both. But I think for happy birthday, I really like that they're kind of loose and fun, especially since this is like a bigger quote unquote word. Does that make sense? I don't know. And then I got doctor appointment, which I don't go to the doctor very often, but when I do, I want it to be from her. Okay. And then Vanderpump Rules. I haven't watched the new season. I bought these because I'm going to start binging it. I know I'm behind. I know it's terrible and I'm so sad that I'm behind, but I'll eventually catch up. So yeah, got these guys. And then I got 2 of these. These are the daily sticky notes. So again, it's literally the same thing. I got 2 because I knew I would need 2. Just sometimes if you're like in the middle of the week, you know, we feel a certain way. Like Mondays can be a terrible Monday, but this is like, instead of it saying it's a terrible Monday, it is just the Mondayest Monday, which completely makes sense because you know exactly what that is like. And then Friday, and then another Friday because that's obviously, or no, I'm sorry, the day before Friday because Friday is literally the best day ever. So naturally you want it to be all about Friday. And I just loved all of these quotes. Like, these clearly are my favorite and I should just stop talking. Okay. Game day. Need those because why not? Because it can be used for football. We have baseball. I'm a Braves fan. I'm a Braves fan, which is Atlanta. And then Patriots fan, which is New England, which I'm from New England. And football up there is professional football. And football down here is like college football. So I don't really have a big college team. I would say Florida because that's like my husband's whole entire family. So yeah, I'm all over the place, okay? Cook dinner. I never cook dinner. Mike is the reason we eat, but I'm trying to meal prep a little bit more and kind of get my cooking under control, as in I need to start cooking because this eating thing has gotten out of control. But yeah, and then last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4, work from home days. I don't work from home that often. However, when I do, I want it to be cute, okay? Yeah, so I did some damage. It was the Black Friday, so I don't feel that bad, not gonna lie. And I'm super, super happy with everything that I got. And she does do these all in foil and you can get them in clear. So I tend to order in black, as I've said before, but she does offer like a ton more options and a ton of different foils. So I'm boring. You don't have to be boring like me. You can be cool and collective and like order all these different foils. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.